Hi sir. Can I help you? Sir, have you owned a Triton before?
Yeah, I own the previous model, so I want to upgrade.
Okay. Yeah, it has a push start button, keyless operation, fully automatic climate control.
What's your name?
Cheryl.
Really soft hands.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
No, you're wrong. Actually, you have to put it in neutral first. Then and then only you can change.
Oh.
What's a pretty girl like you doing, you know, selling cars?
This is your forte, you should know better than this.
Sorry lah, it's first time.
You know, because I have a girlfriend. It's okay, she's not really here.
But if can, I want to be a racer one day. Hopefully.
Racer.
Is that the same? Is the Phantom, is that the same as this one?
This one more rugged.
Yeah, I like
suit
the
your
colour.
taste. Why not you give it a test drive?
Hey, why is there a camera?
The camera is for safety purpose. Let me drive.
You want to drive?
You park here. Do you want to see what this car can really do?
Yeah, sure.
Sit there.
Hey, you know how to handle this car? This is a man's car, you know.
So this is a shortcut back home, yeah? Okay, cool. Well, I think you're going to be too fast. Yeah? Oh! Sharilah. Hey, slow down lah. What the f***? Wait! Dude, what? Are you kidding me? Are you crazy or what? What? No, wait! Wait! Jesus Christ! Yes.
I didn't know you could turn like that, no!
Oh my God! Kidding me? Are you crazy or what? What?
Go!
No way! Wait! No! Okay, I have enough of this. Okay. This is not a shortcut. What are you doing? Wait! Whoa! Wait! Whoa! No!
I'm definitely buying this car now, man. It's crazy.
You are f***ing good. Oh my God! No!
Who say girl cannot drive? You're on Maxman TV. It's just a prank.
I'll buy the car.
You buy the car.
Yeah, I'll buy the car.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We had so much fun filming it. Thank you so much to Mitsubishi and Leona for making this video happen. For more videos, check out Maxman TV on YouTube. And remember, man up with Maxman TV. Woo! Let's go! Yeah! No one? Ah, can we go again?
No.
I still want to go again.
Let's go back.